Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to make all your playlist private on YouTube. First of all, go to your YouTube and make sure to sign into your YouTube account where you created your channel. And now click on your YouTube profile and click on YouTube Studio. Once you are in your YouTube Studio dashboard, here click on Content and select Playlist. And here you will get all of your created playlist. As you can see, all of my playlists are public. So to make all of my playlist private, just you have to do it manually one by one. So here is no option to make all of your playlist private at once. First of all, let's edit this playlist. So I'm clicking on edit. You will get this visibility drop down. Click on that, and to make this playlist private, select private, click on save. Once done, go back from here, and as you can see, this playlist is private now. The same way you have to edit your all playlist one by one. Just edit the playlist, click on visibility, select private, save, and this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.